Hello, my name is Venkatesh and I am an applications engineer here at MAXIM Integrated. Today, I am going to talk about MAXIM's first AI chip, the MAX78000 and its demonstration using MAXREFDES178, which is a cube camera. Ready? Let's go!
First, let's talk about MAX78000, which is a new breed of AI chip from MAXIM that brings intelligence to small and low power machines like battery powered controllers, cameras, power tools, remote wearables. There are some key challenges to add intelligence to small machines. Number 1. Energy. Inference energy must be tamed on constrained applications. Millions of matrix math calculations on a microcontroller or DSP erode useful battery life. The second one is latency. Matrix computation on microcontrollers and DSPs can fail to meet safety requirements or just be too slow for user acceptance. Number 3. Size is critical for compact end products. On-chip memory, sensor-specific I/O ports, and limited external components are crucial to meet space constraints. And finally, the cost. Performance and power are important, but they can't cost so much to make an end equipment out of reach.
Well, we have a solution for this problem. The MAX78000 meets the challenge to add intelligence. Number 1, it's 100 times lower energy and faster than microcontrollers. And number 2, it's only 8 by 8 mm with all memories on die, I2S and parallel camera interfaces. Integrated SIMO converter provides single rail power for most applications. And finally, high performance, low power and fully integrated solution at a modest price compared to similarly performing alternatives. In this video, we use the cube camera to demonstrate the capability of MAX78000 as complete system for audio and vision recognition and demonstrates the use of multiple inference engines, Bluetooth connectivity, user interfaces in a battery powered design. Now let's look at the hardware. Before we get started, make sure you have the following: the MAXREFDES178 cube camera with enclosure, the MAX DAP Type-C Pico adapter, MAX 32625 Pico debugger with SWD cable, 2 sets of USB-A to USB-B micro cables and 1 set of USB-A to USB-C cable and an Android device of 64-bit, and make sure the OS is in between the versions 7 and 11. Let's go to the demo section where we do the following: number 1, keyword spotting, number 2, facial recognition, and finally Bluetooth setup to an Android device. First, connect the cube to MAX DAP Type-C Pico adapter through micro USB cable. You can see the cube turning on. The blue light blinks, which is next to the power, and you can see the MAXIM logo on the LCD screen. The device will start with video and face ID in disabled state, audio and KWS20 keyword spotting in enabled state. The device recognizes 20 keywords that can be found in GitHub page provided at the end of this video. As an example, I speak stop, and you can see that on screen. The KWS20 classification result: text changes color according to the KWS20 classification confidence. Red, unknown keyword; yellow, keyword detected with low confidence; green, keyword detected with high confidence. To start the facial recognition feature, touch the start video button on the LCD to start video capture. The go and stop voice commands, when recognized with high confidence, enable or disable Face ID. The Face ID frame appears in the center of the LCD when Face ID is enabled. There is a database of celebrities you can find in GitHub link, and I am using the image of Brad Pitt. Go! The battery status is shown on the top right corner of the LCD. When it comes to buttons, we have 5 including power. Short press power button to navigate startup screen. Long press to shut device down. Button X enables or disables device statistics on the LCD. Button Y changes the second debug channel target of the Type-C connector. Second debug channel targets are MATS 32666 core 1, MATS 78000 video, MATS 78000 audio. Button A enables or disables the video flash LED. Button B is unused. Now let's do the Bluetooth demo. Make sure you have an Android tablet with ARM 64-bit devices and Android versions from 7 to 11 are supported. Open Google Play Store and download the MAXREFDES178 app. Make sure the Bluetooth of the device is turned on and you can notice the MAXREFDES178 listed and the blue LED will be flashing. Now open the MAXREFDES178 app and click scan and you can see the MAXREFDES178. Well, we have found it without clicking scan. Now you see multiple options to play with the app under settings section. You can also create new database and the instructions can be found in the GitHub page shown below. Let's look at the settings section. As you can see, we can actually play with some cool commands. One more thing to notice, once the device is connected to the tablet, you can see the blue LED turns solid. This indicates that there is a solid connection between the device and the tablet. Well, that's all I have for today. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, keep up the innovation.